Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making beer bread. You're going to need 1 can beer, 12 ounces, 3 cups flour, 3 tablespoons butter melted, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon baking powder. First, we're going to combine all dry ingredients. In a large bowl, we're going to sift flour and baking powder. This is the easiest and fastest bread you're ever going to make and tastes incredible. Add sugar and salt and mix it in before we continue. Slowly pour in the beer. And stir it gently until it's combined. The beer adds a unique flavor and it helps bread rise beautifully without the need for yeast. The dough is going to be very soft. Then use the dish about 9 inches long, normally called loaf pan. And before you use it, make sure you butter or oil inside walls so bread doesn't stick to the dish. Transfer it to the baking dish and gently even it out. Drizzle the melted butter over the top. Preheat your oven to 375. Bake it for 45 to 50 minutes. Let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes before you take it out of the pan. Whatever you enjoy, plain, with butter, or as a side dish to your favorite meal, this beer bread is sure to be a hit. Look how beautiful this is, and it smells and it tastes even better. You're gonna have to make it yourself. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.